Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily turn on camera in your Windows 11 device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Setting application. So you can simply open the Start menu and search for Setting, or you can even see the applications icon there. Or right click on the Windows in the taskbar and you will see an option of setting there in the menu. Or the shortcut is to go to Windows plus I. Once in the setting application, simply go to Privacy and Security from the left hand side menu. In Privacy and Security, you will see the option of camera. So scroll below and search for camera option. Double click on it and make sure the camera access is provided. After you toggle on this feature, you will see the list of applications that have the permission to use the camera from your device. So if you see the application in which your camera is not working and see the option is toggled off, simply turn it on. After that, if your issue is still not solved, what you can do is use the shortcut key on your Windows 11 device. You will see F10 option in your keyboard. If you just tap it twice, you will be able to turn the camera on. So that's it. That is how easily you can turn on camera in your Windows 11 device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.